Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best gift from mom is probably one of the most thoughtful and cherished presents a child can give, especially when it comes to celebrating the incredible women who have shaped our lives. This year, we're diving deep into a curated selection of gifts designed to make her birthday truly unforgettable, moving beyond the ordinary to find something that speaks directly to her heart and acknowledges all her sacrifices and love. Number 5. BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag. Introducing the BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag, your ultimate travel companion. Keep all your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible on the go. Featuring a convenient hanging hook, this bag allows you to easily store your toiletries in any bathroom. Maximize your space and keep your items within reach. Crafted with water-resistant material, it protects your belongings from spills and splashes. Travel with peace of mind, knowing your items are safe and dry. This organizer offers generous space for makeup, cosmetics, shampoo, and full-sized containers. It's designed to hold everything you need for your trip. Whether for short trips or long vacations, this toiletry bag is the perfect solution for keeping your accessories tidy. Make your travels more convenient and stylish. What we like. This travel organizer offers ample space for all your toiletries and full-sized containers. Its convenient hanging hook allows for easy access in any bathroom. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who likes to keep their essentials neatly organized, this is the perfect choice for your mom's birthday. What people say. The hanging hook is a game changer. It makes it so easy to access everything without digging through my suitcase or cluttering the bathroom counter. The compartments are thoughtfully laid out, with plenty of space for full-size toiletries, makeup, and smaller essentials. It's lightweight but still holds a surprising amount. Perfect for weekend trips or longer travel. Number 4. TheraICE Headache Relief Cap. Suffering from headaches or migraines? This innovative cap offers soothing relief. It's designed to help you relax and feel better fast. Experience the power of cooling gel therapy. This mask provides a comfortable, cold compress to ease tension and discomfort. It's like a spa treatment for your head. Specially crafted for women, this hat is perfect for relieving stress and headaches. It's a thoughtful way to care for yourself or a loved one. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This headache relief cap is ideal for birthdays or any occasion. Surprise the special women in your life with this comforting present. More than just a headache solution, it's a versatile cold compress wrap. Use it for stress relief or to simply unwind after a long day. Enjoy ultimate comfort and relaxation. What we like. Experience soothing relief from headaches and migraines with this innovative cooling gel hat. It provides a comfortable, full head wrap for stress reduction. If your mom suffers from frequent headaches or simply needs a way to relax and de-stress, this is a thoughtful and practical gift. What people say. Straight out of the freezer, it's cold but not painfully stiff. The gel stays flexible so it actually hugs your head instead of just sitting itself there, and the gentle compression feels incredibly soothing when your head is pounding. I also love that it covers your eyes. The cool plus dark combo is perfect when you just need everything to stop for a bit. It doesn't leak, isn't messy, and it's easy to toss back into the freezer when I'm done. It's also really comfortable. The inside is soft, it doesn't feel too tight, and I can even wear it while lying down without it sliding around. The cap is designed to cover your entire head, including your forehead, eyes, temples, and even your neck. It provides targeted relief where you need it most, making it ideal for those who suffer from migraines or tension headaches. Number 3. CINCOM Cordless Hand Massager. Experience ultimate comfort with our innovative hand massager. It's designed to provide targeted relief right where you need it most. Enjoy the dual benefits of soothing heat and gentle compression. This combination works together to ease tension and promote relaxation in your hands. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, allowing you to enjoy a relaxing massage anywhere, anytime. No more tangled cords. Specifically engineered to help soothe the discomfort associated with arthritis and carpal tunnel syndrome. Feel the difference with regular use. Operating this device is incredibly simple. Just a few buttons control all the functions, making it accessible for everyone. With its long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can take this massager on the go. It's perfect for travel or simply using at home. What we like. This cordless hand massager provides targeted heat and compression therapy for sore hands. It's especially beneficial for those with arthritis or carpal tunnel. If your mom experiences hand pain or stiffness and is looking for a convenient, at-home solution, this massager will be a welcome gift. What people say. Using it twice per day the past 4 days, my hands have experienced pain relief. The best setting is probably the blue setting for pressure. You have 3 settings: light pressure, medium, and tight. There are 3 waves or motions: sequence, circulation, or combination mode. I love that it has a heat function, so you don't get that cold plastic feeling. The heat is just right, not too hot, and the compression feels absolutely amazing. It's like it knows exactly where my hand needs the most pressure. This has helped so much with the pain. It's super easy to use and the cordless design makes it really convenient. The kneading massage combined with the rhythmic air pressure from the upper and lower airbags feels just like a professional hand massage. It targets all the right acupuncture points across my fingers, palms, and wrists. This device helps relieve my arthritis pain and occasional carpal tunnel symptoms, and I especially love the gentle heat feature. There are 3 massage modes, 3 pressure levels, and 2 heat settings, so it's easy to customize the experience to exactly what I need. Number 2. Frida Mom Postpartum Essentials Kit. Welcome to your postpartum journey. This kit is designed to provide comfort and support during your recovery. We've included everything you need for those first few weeks. From comfortable underwear to soothing pads, we've got you covered. Pack this for your hospital bag and feel prepared. It ensures you have essential items readily available when you need them most. Experience gentle care with our healing foam and cooling pads. They are designed to provide maximum comfort and aid in your recovery. This comprehensive set includes disposable underwear, maxi pads, healing foam, and pad liners. It's the perfect gift for any new mom. We understand the needs of new mothers. That's why this kit focuses on providing comfort and convenience during this special time. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed to support new mothers during their recovery. It includes essential items for comfort and healing, like disposable underwear and ice pads. If you're looking for a practical and caring gift for a new mom, this postpartum kit addresses her immediate needs. What people say. The handheld bidet has such a nice nozzle and it really helps gently wash away all the post-birth ick. The disposable undies are so comfy and they're tight and stay put while also being so stretchy and breathable. The witch hazel foam is very soothing and cooling and I feel like it has helped everything heal faster. Number 1. Almond Milk and Honey Beauty and Personal Care Set. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Surprise her with a luxurious beauty and personal care set designed to make her feel pampered and relaxed. This 10-piece collection features the soothing scents of almond milk and honey. It's a delightful way to elevate her daily routine. Turn any bath into a spa experience. These products are crafted to provide a moment of pure bliss and self-care. Encourage relaxation with this pampering package. It's the ideal way for her to unwind after a long day and recharge her senses. This self-care kit is more than just a gift, it's an invitation to prioritize her well-being. Perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Show her how much you care with this exquisite home bath pampering package. It's a beautiful way to celebrate her, whether it's her birthday or an anniversary. What we like. Indulge your mom with this luxurious home spa experience featuring almond milk and honey scents. This pampering set is perfect for a relaxing bath and self-care routine. If you want to treat your mom to a day of relaxation and rejuvenation, this beauty and personal care set is an ideal birthday present. What people say. This bath gift set is absolutely beautiful and feels very luxurious. The basket is well put together, nicely wrapped, and perfect for gifting, no extra wrapping needed. The scent is warm, soft, and not overpowering, which makes it very relaxing. All the products feel gentle on the skin and leave it feeling moisturized and smooth. Everything inside felt high quality and thoughtfully put together. It made such a lovely, relaxing gift and was perfect for pampering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.